Alright, in a sample of 800 US adults, 173 think that most celebrities are good role models. 2 US adults are selected from this sample without replacement. Complete parts A through C. Find the probability that both adults think most celebrities are good role models. Alright, so we're picking 2 people. We're gonna have to do a multiplication rule, okay? But this is gonna be a dependent case. Because look, we pick one person, we don't put him back in the pool of 800 people. We keep him out. So the next time we go into the pool of people to ask this question, there are 799 people left because one person is removed from the pool. So here is how it goes. Give me 1 second. Let me bring up a tablet so that I can write. All right. So the first time you go in and ask, there are 173 people who think celebrities are good role models out of how many total? 800. But the next time you go and ask, there's one person less, right? 799 people are left. And how many of them out of this 799 still thinks celebrities are good role models? 172. Because there was one person, but we took that person out. So that's going to be the fraction you will need to multiply. So I'll go to Desmo Scientific Calculator and multiply these 2 fractions, okay? So I'm doing 173 divided by 800 times 172 divided by 799. That comes out to be 0.04655. And let's see how they want you to round this problem. Round to 3 decimal places. So 1, 2, 3. I'm going to round it to 0.04. This number is bigger than or equal. Oh, that's 5, so I'm going to have to round up. So that will be the answer to part A. Okay, let me do the next one. Find the probability that neither adults think most celebrities are good role models. All right, that's a fun one. So there are 800 total people, right? But out of how many of these 800 think celebrities are not good role models? I'm going to have to subtract. 173 people thinks they're good role model. So the leftover, the rest of them don't think that's true. So look at what I'm doing. 800 minus 173. So 627 people thinks celebrities are not good role models. Okay, these are the people who said yes. These are the people who said no. Okay, now we ask another person, right? Look, when we go in and ask the second person, there are only 799 people left. Out of those 799, how many people think celebrities are not good role model? 626. Why is it one less? Oh, we got one person out of the pool already, right? So that's what you will have to do. Let's go ahead and multiply on the calculator. So I'm doing 627 divided by 800 times 626 divided by 799. The decimal came out to be 0.614. And I think they want us to round this to the 3 decimal places. So I'll just type that in. Ta-da. All right, give me one more. Part C. Find the probability that at least, oh, that's the hard one now, okay? At least one of the 2 adults think most celebrities are good role models. Now, I think I'm going to have to use complement for this because when they said at least one adult says yes, that means one adult says yes, and or 2 adults say yes. That's 2 cases. So what I have to do is to find the probability of having just one person, find the probability of having 2 people, and add them together. Okay, but I think there is an easier way to do this. Okay, the opposite of this, opposite of at least one person. Okay, And because at least is greater than or equal to, right? You will agree with me that at least in symbol is greater than or equal to, right? But what is the opposite of greater than or equal to? The complement of that will be less than 1, right? Okay, so remember the complements, the probability of the complement events, they add up to 100%. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to find the probability that less than one person say yes to this question and subtract that from 100%. Okay, because this is easy to tell. Okay, what does it mean less than one person say yes? Less than one person saying yes is nobody is saying yes. Nobody thinks celebrities are good role model, okay? All right, so that's like really saying probability of x is equal to 0, right? Because a number that's smaller than 1 is 0 in this case. Like nobody thinks celebrities are good role models. So that's my plan, okay? That's my plan. So what is the probability that nobody thinks celebrities are good role model, okay? That will be 800. That will be the total first. But I forgot the number of people who says celebrities are bad role model. Oh, that is 627. And the second time we go and ask the second guy, there are 799 people left. But out of those 799 people, 626 think celebrities are not good role models. Hey, I just realized we did this one on part B. Part B, the answer, the decimal came out to be 0.614. So only thing that I need to do is subtract 1 minus 0.614. And this is using the complement idea. So let me get that decimal real quick, okay? I'll do 1 minus that product, and it comes out to be 38.386. So I'll write that down. 0.386. Wow, that part was tricky, I have to admit. 0.386. This was basically using that when they said at least one person said yes. Okay, we're trying to come up with the complement of it, like opposite of at least one person saying yes. The opposite of at least one person saying yes is nobody is saying yes. So we found the probability of neither of them saying yes, and we just subtracted that from 100%.